Hey everybody, welcome to Zzyzx, aka Soda Springs. Soda Springs, a natural spring, has long seen human activity. Their area was a prehistoric quarry site, and projectile points and rock art can be found in this area. In the early 1900s, the Soda Springs station was a stop for the Tonopah and Tidewater Railroad. Mr. Springer filed mining claims for 12,000 acres surrounding the spring. Curtis Springer named the area Zzyzx in 1944, claiming it would be the last word in the dictionary. He established the Zzyzx Mineral Springs and Health Spa later that year in 1944. The Zzyzx brand sold tonics and health remedies across the globe. He used his springs to bottle his water and provide drinks for travelers through the hot desert. Mr. Springer had Zzyzx till 1974. Then the government evicted him from the land. I read that there wasn't even a hearing. Is this true? An oasis out in the middle of the desert. Yeah, it's spring break and just hear the cleaning crew in the background. This is Soda Lake. Dragonflies, ducks. These are like mud ducks. You know how to cook a mud duck, right? Eat it. Get a big old pot, right? You fill it full of rocks. Fill it halfway with water. Strip the feathers off the mud duck. And you cook it up. When you're done cooking it, you throw out the duck and eat the rocks. That's how you eat a mud duck. Must have been some sort of fountain. Oh, another mud duck. Get those rocks ready. It's probably close to 80 degrees out here right now. Freezing yesterday. I don't see anything swimming around in here. Not saying there's not a catfish or two in here. Maybe some bluegill. Alright, that's exciting. Oh wow, I wonder what this could be. That is a pinto. Look at the pinto. It's a wagon for somebody if you like Oldsmobiles. Oh, we're getting a little older here. This one looks like it caught on fire. Must be some sort of rust decaying project. It's definitely rusty. Anybody lose their U.S. mail truck? This looks mil-spec to me. Those look like old Suburban doors. Oh, look at this, guys. Yeah, look at this one. I don't know. Looks like a old Ford to me. There's the front part of that mail truck. That does look mil-spec to me. I have no idea what's going on here. Someone's long lost rat rod project. Last but not least, spare tire holder. I don't know. There you go. Lost. We're out of here.